Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Daily.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here. Thank you for learning with us today.
Today's lesson is very useful for real life.
Yes, today we will practice English at the doctor.
Sometimes we feel sick, sometimes we need medicine, and sometimes we need to talk to a doctor in English.
Don't worry, we will use simple words and short sentences.
Remember our method: listen, speak, listen again.
And if these lessons help you, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
All right, let's begin.
How, Alex? Why are you at the clinic today?
Hi, Mia. I don't feel well.
Oh no, what's the problem?
I have a headache and I feel tired.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do. I feel very warm.
Let's look at the key phrases. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I feel tired. I have a fever.
Repeat after us. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I feel tired. I have a fever. Good job. You're doing great.
What's the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a headache and a fever.
Where does it hurt?
My throat hurts.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I do. And my nose is blocked.
That sounds like a cold.
Useful body phrases. My head hurts. My throat hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. I have a cough. I have a cold. Repeat with us. My throat hurts. My stomach hurts. I have a cough. Nice, you're improving already.
Where does it hurt?
My throat hurts and I have a cough.
How long have you been sick?
For 3 days.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I took some tablets, but I still feel sick.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't. Important answers. For 2 days. For 3 days. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. I took medicine. I didn't take medicine. Repeat. For 3 days. I took medicine. I didn't take medicine. Great work.
How long have you been sick?
For 3 days. I took medicine, but I still feel sick.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Please sit and wait. The doctor will call you.
Thank you.
Useful reception phrases. I have an appointment. My name is. Please wait. The doctor will call you. Repeat. I have an appointment. My name is. Please wait. Excellent.
You have a cold and a throat infection.
Oh, I see.
Please take this medicine 2 times a day.
Okay.
Drink warm water and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Common advice. Take this medicine 2 times a day. Drink warm water. Get some rest. Come back in 3 days. Repeat. Take this medicine. Drink warm water. Get some rest. You're doing amazing.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache and my throat hurts.
How long have you been sick?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do.
Okay, please take this medicine and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Now repeat the important parts. I don't feel well. My throat hurts. For 2 days. Thank you, doctor. Great job. Speaking out loud builds confidence.
Answer these questions out loud. What do you say when you feel sick? How do you say you have a fever? How long have you been sick? Do you like speaking English at the doctor?
Amazing. You're improving already.
Today we learned English for visiting the doctor.
Let's review the key phrases. I don't feel well. I have a headache.
My throat hurts. I have a fever.
For 2 days. I have an appointment.
Take this medicine. Drink warm water.
Get some rest.
These are real phrases for real life.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak. Small practice every day makes big progress.
You're doing great. We're proud of you.
Before we go, here's a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you usually do when you feel sick?
Do you rest? Drink tea? Visit a doctor?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time for more Real English Daily.
Bye, take care, and keep practicing.